When disaster strikes, creation of new resources like buckets and tables can lead to drift with infrastructure as code and require extra steps to reconcile with your Terraform state. But what if there was a better way? Here's your production infrastructure, perfectly managed by Terraform. It has an S3 bucket, a DynamoDB table, policies, and various other provisioned resources, all protected by Clumio's Terraform provider. Everything appears to be version-controlled, automated, and consistent. But a restore typically creates new resources. Terraform doesn't know about these. You have to manually import them, update all your application configurations, and hope nothing breaks. Your beautiful infrastructure as code is now a mess. This is where Clumio Backtrack simplifies the restore process. Backtrack, configurable via the Clumio Terraform provider, is designed to restore data directly into your existing S3 buckets and DynamoDB tables. This avoids the creation of new resources, helps prevent Terraform drift, and maintains a consistent state. Let's look at a real example, an online bookstore. Terraform manages both the DynamoDB table tracking inventory details and the S3 bucket storing book cover images. Clumio protects it all through infrastructure as code. Everything is perfect until it's not. Book prices are corrupted, inventory data is scrambled, and book covers are altered. Black Friday is tomorrow, and every minute of downtime is lost revenue. No problem. With Clumio Backtrack for S3, configured by the Clumio Terraform provider, we simply restore images directly back into the same bucket. No updating image URLs in your application, no changes to your Terraform configuration. The recovery is designed to operate at cloud scale, whether it's 10 book covers or 10 million. Same story for DynamoDB. Backtrack restores your data directly into the same table. This can limit the need to create temporary tables, avoid complex ETL processes, and reduce updates to your Terraform configuration. And here's the beautiful part. From Terraform's perspective, the environment appears unchanged. The infrastructure is exactly as defined. No drift, no imports, no manual fixes. This is designed to help your infrastructure as code remain the source of truth. And we're back. This is the power of combining Terraform with Clumio Backtrack. Terraform defines and maintains your steady state, and if disaster strikes, Backtrack restores your data while minimizing disruption to your environment. They work together to deliver infrastructure resilience. Ready to see this in your environment?